Hello everyone, hello everyone. PM Networking was working on a course for long time, and from 20th of February we are going to launch a brand new course for the people who is struggling in IT industry. Guys, name of this course is CCNP in Core Plus in NRC. As you know, CCNP stands for Cisco Certified Network Professional. That means this course will make you a professional network engineer. In this course, we are going to understand core knowledge of routing and switching. We will discuss everything from routing and switching along with basic knowledge of security, basic knowledge of wireless, basic knowledge of automation, and basic knowledge of virtualization. So first thing that you need to check is your interest. If you are interested, then only you can enter in this industry, because if you are not interested to work on technology, no one can make you understand the concept of technology, right? It will be very difficult for you to learn technology, right? So first thing is just identify that are you interested in this industry or not. Suppose if you are interested in this domain, or you are working in this domain, or you are preparing to work in this domain, you are preparing for interview, this course can help you a lot to get job, to get promotion. Even if you don't want to work in industry, if you want to teach someone, right, by using the core knowledge of routing switching, so your knowledge will be in your hand. I have real devices as well. I will provide you access of my real devices so that you can practice on real devices as well. We will practice on simulation software as well, like EVNG, right? There also we will perform some practical. Whatever protocols we will run in routing or maybe in switching, like BGP, ISIS, OSPF, right? Any protocols in routing or any protocols in switching, like STP, Ether channel, DTP, VTP, anything, right? We will learn edge technology like VPN, NAT, PAT, these things. Okay, so once you will learn these things with basic knowledge of security, wireless, automation, and virtualization, company will definitely hire you, right? Because there are lots of companies who is looking for the engineer who can work on their technology, but people don't have knowledge, right? But guys, understand, if you want to learn any other technology, right, like virtualization, wireless, security, AWS, right, in cloud, cyber security, in any domain, if you want to make career, routing switching is mandatory, right? First thing that you need to master is routing switching. If you are interested, so fee of this training is only 10,000, anyone can pay. Once you will make payment, you will be receiving a call from my side where we will discuss everything, and we will meet live for 2 hours a day and just for 60 days. That means we have only 60 days. So we will not learn any unupgraded things, right? We will learn only upgraded things which companies are using. Whatever technology companies are using nowadays, that technology we are going to learn in this course. Core knowledge of routing switching is mandatory. First we need to learn core routing switching. Okay, and I am master in routing and switching. First of all, let me tell you about myself if you don't know who am I. So guys, my name is Praful Mishra. I am a CCNA, CCNP, CCI written certified. I am a CCNA, CCNP security certified. I have 5 years of experience as a network engineer. I have worked in various companies as a senior network engineer, as a network engineer, as a network administrator, right? So I understand the practical use of this course, practical use of this training, whatever you are going to learn. What you need to learn, you need to learn that how routers work, how router builds routing table, right? How protocols are work, like how BGP works, how ISIS protocol works, how OSPF protocols work, STP, Ether channel, VTP, these protocols, right? So once you will learn these things in detail, definitely company will hire you and you will be able to troubleshoot the network, right? So many companies, around 70% companies are using devices of Cisco. So those companies will definitely call you and they will hire you. So your feedback is very important for me. After training, you will give me one feedback about this training. So that feedback is really very important for me to grow my life. Now very quickly, I am going to tell you some key features of this training program. So here you can see first thing is 60 days live training. So we will meet live for 2 hours a day and for 60 days. Means you will get 60 days live training. Benefit of live training is whenever you will have any doubt, you can stop me anywhere. Okay, first we will discuss your doubt, then we will learn any new things. Second feature is 100% job guarantee. Means if anyone who will attend at least 90% live session, they will get job in industry as well. We will provide 100% job guarantee placements to the people who will join, who will attend our 90% classes. After that, lifetime access of recorded session, so you will have a recording of each and every session for the future use. Whenever you need to watch the recorded session in future, suppose if you have learned BGP and you are forgetting something, so you will have recorded session. After that, 1-to-1 dot support with 200 plus practice questions. We are going to discuss 200 plus interview questions, exam questions during the training, right? That means every day we will share some question, interview question, scenario based question, already exam asked question by Cisco. And whenever you will have dot to solve any questions, right, we will arrange 1-to-1 dot support session. Okay, after that only 20 students will be there in one batch, so that we can interact with each other. I am not allowing more than 20 students in one batch, or maybe I will allow only 15 students, 15 to 20 students only in one batch. Okay, a student can stop the instructor anytime, and I will be the instructor, right? I have experience in various company. After that, class timing will be 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. IST. As you know, I am also working professional. I am working in industry, so it is not possible to take classes in daytime. That's why I am taking classes from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. So if you are working professional, no problem. If you can manage this time, you can also enroll. Fine. After that, if you are unable to attend the live session, don't worry, we will provide the recorded session. So suppose due to some work, if you will miss the live session, right, after session we will send the link recording of live session, and you can directly download video in your device and you can watch. So before next class, you need to watch previous video, so that everyone will be updated in class. Okay, after that, you can see access to our premium handwritten notes and standard practice questions. Guys, from last 2 years I am writing so many content, so many questions. I am collecting questions from interview. I am going to share everything with you. We will use these resources to understand the core knowledge of routing switching with security, wireless, automation and virtualization. After that, access to all the necessary software like EVNG, like GNS3, like images of routers, switches. Sometime maybe we need firewall, ASA. So you will get images, you will get software, whatever software are required, like PuTTY, Secure CRT. I will give you access to this software. I have already downloaded all software, and I have link of my drive, so I will share the drive link. From there you can download notes and software. After that, resume building, soft skill grooming. So later, after finishing our technical training, we need to work on your resume as well. So I will personally check your resume, and I will suggest you what information you need to add there and what information you need to remove there, how your resume will look professional. Training is only 10,000, so anyone can pay. If you are interested, this is very less amount, right? This amount will identify that you are serious or not. Guys, understand there is huge difference between practicing in front of everyone and practicing in front of like-minded people. If I will allow everyone to join live session, right, and when people will left during the training, right, it will disturb us, right? It will be very difficult for me also to focus on content, and it will difficult for you. So that's why there is one fee. So if anyone want to enroll, they have to pay 10,000, right? And if anyone is paying 10,000, that means they are serious. So my target is just collecting 20 students. So that means anyone who will enter in this training program, means those people are very serious. Those people are passionate to work in this domain. People are passionate to learn technology. Those guys only enroll themselves. Okay, so if you will practice in front of like-minded people, it will be beneficial for you also, and it will be beneficial for all of us, to all 20 students, and it will be beneficial for me also. Okay, so that's why I'm not allowing more than 20 students, and I am not allowing everyone to enter in this training program. So that's why we have set one fee of 10,000. So anyone who want to enroll, they have to pay this amount. This amount will identify that you are serious or not. Now let me give you some overview of my course, that what we are going to learn. So here you can see day wise plan as well. So this is my day wise plan. Okay, so I have mentioned 63 days, but I will try to cover entire things in 60 days. I have already shared this on Facebook, so you can read there whatever technical skill we are going to learn in this training program. First we will discuss about basic things like TCP IP model, MAC address table concept, VLAN, configuration of VLAN, types of VLAN, okay, DTP, native VLAN, DD, concept of sub interface, SAP table, okay, forwarding architecture, introduction of a spanning tree, root bridge election, how to calculate a loop free path topology. Then we will discuss advanced things about STP like PVST, how PVST is different from CST, RSTP port states, RSTP synchronization, because nowadays we are using, companies are using RSTP protocol in their network. So that's why we will learn these protocols in detail, right? Like RSTP states, RSTP synchronization, we will perform some practical. Then PVST plus and STP, how these two protocols are compatible with each other. We will compare which one is better and why technology most of the companies are using these two protocol. Okay, then STP mechanism, like how to protect STP. As you know, attacker can attack in your network through STP, so we have to protect STP network as well. After that, one more day if anything left, right till here. So in first 10 days we are going to learn these basic things with STP. After that, introduction to MST, multiple spanning tree protocol. So here we are going to learn MST version 1, version 2. We will discuss VTP version 3 with practical, and then you will understand what is the relationship between VTP and MST. Okay, so till now maybe you have knowledge about VTP version 1 and version 2. Here you will learn VTP version 3 as well. Then ether channel concept, like there are two protocols for ether channel, PAGP and LSCP. So we will understand layer 2 and layer 3 ether channel here with practical. Okay, now introduction to routing, static routing, packet flow, these things definitely we will cover these things. Then EIGRP, okay, dual algorithm. Maybe we will take 1 week for EIGRP, max to max 1 week, because here we need to cover some concept of frame relay. Definitely we are not using this technology, but to understand upgraded technology you have to learn traditional network. Okay, so like concept of summarization, authentication, EIGRP filtering, how to configure route map, what is route map, right, these things. Then we will start OSPF. Here we will understand LSA concepts, right. We will learn LSA 1 to LSA 8 in very details. Then redistribution, okay, then BGP. Then we will start BGP, and as you know, in routing companies are using this protocol in network. So here also we are going to learn BGP in detail. Okay, everything, BGP attribute. We will perform multiple practicals of BGP, more than 10 practical on single protocol BGP. Then definitely you will have good knowledge of this protocol. You will have troubleshooting a skill of this protocol. You can easily troubleshoot BGP network, and when company will ask you question from BGP, you can easily answer. Okay, now then introduction to multicasting. So here we need to cover multicasting as well, right, like range, how multicasting work, these things. These are protocols. IGMP, so we will perform practical on IGMP. We will understand theory part. Then quality of service, classification and marking. Okay, one spare day for above. Okay, so I have already one day till here. Okay, so till here, if we will have some dot or some topics left, then we will cover in this day 38. Then again we will start FHRP, HSRP, VRRP, these things, like how to perform load balancing. Okay, so then we will learn edge technology like NAT, PAT, types of NAT, how to configure, what it is, right? Then we will perform practical PBR with practical we will learn SNMP, simple network management protocol, syslog, right? CoOP, URPF, DMVPN phase 1 with IPsec configuration, this is also very important. NetFlow with practical, this is also very important. Okay, introduction to IPv6 is also important. So we need to learn these things in detail, right? Then only company will hire you. Now after that we will learn how to implement IPv6 in OSPF, that is OSPF version 3. Then what is ISACamp, IKE version 1, right? Means how we will configure and how IPsec VPN works. So that time we will learn these things: IPsec VPN basic, ISACamp, IKE version 1. So I will explain, we will discuss theory plus practical of this topic. Then you can see next topic will be from automation and virtualization. So here we will learn something. Actually I will take 2 classes for virtualization, maybe 5 classes, 4 to 5 classes for SD-WAN, okay, and 4 to 5 classes for wireless. Okay, so this is our plan which we are going to discuss in CCNP. Okay guys, so this is all about my upcoming CCNP course. If you are interested, you can pay 10,000 and you can enroll yourself. From 20th of February we are going to meet live. I need your feedback after this training. Okay, so that's all guys. Bye bye. If you have any doubt, let me know in comment. I will make another video, and definitely within my capacity I will try to answer your question. And always keep in mind, if I am promising X, then in live training I will try to deliver 10x. Okay, whenever you will ask question within my capacity, I will try to answer everyone questions. Okay, so if you are interested, once more time I am saying same things, enroll yourself as soon as possible. Bye bye guys, thanks for watching.